The easiest and quickest trick you can do in Capcut is being able to put text at your back. And yes, this can actually be the first effect you would actually learn how to do on Capcut, even without knowing how to use the Capcut application. Also, it has come to my notice on the comment section that I need to also start doing tutorials for those that are using Capcut PC. And yes, I will be doing a lot of tutorials for those that are using Capcut PC. Yeah, not that I'm also going to be ditching those that are editing on their mobile phone. Yeah, that aside, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to crop out yourself and add a text at your back, or add whatever you want to add at your back. It also works the same way the green screen works, but this time around we are not going to be using a green effect. I'm Samuel Favor and this is TechLensive. And yes, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. Your subscription makes me create better videos and encourages me. And yeah, going forward, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do this effect, or yes, this effect. Yes, on Capcut app using Capcut PC. Now, the same method you do it on Capcut PC is still the same way you will do it on the Capcut mobile application. And yes, for any editing software. Let's head down into it. First of all, when you have imported your video into the timeline, what you do is you duplicate it. Let's take this video for an example. You duplicate it, you put an overlay at the top. Now, this overlay is the one that is above the one down. Now, this overlay that is above is the overlay that has its display showing on the screen right now. The one that is below, if I turn it off, you will see that there was no effect on it. Now, what you will do with this overlay at the top is maybe after you're done with all your cuts or whatever you want to do, you would remove its background. Now, the auto cutout feature on the Capcut PC is free. As we all know, it is a paid feature on the Capcut mobile app. So when you do auto removal, or on the mobile version, you use your hand to clean out all the places you don't want using the erase tool. You now put the text you want. Let's say hello. You put it in between the first video and the second video. And yes, when the first video has cut out itself and left just your body, that is auto cutout, you will be left with this. Now you can now be able to add a blur background to the video so that it turns out well in your video. And yes, that is how you can easily and quickly put text in your background. And this same thing, you can also be able to do it and add maybe a video to your background, add maybe something different to your background, a location that you want to change in your background quickly and easily. I hope this helped and you'll be trying it in your next video to catch some attention using the text feature on the mobile phone, or maybe on your PC, depending on which one you use to edit. Now, I use the Capcut PC to edit, so I think that should be it. Do well to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to also share this video to your creator friends so that they'll be able to learn this trick the same way you've learned it. And yes, till when next we see, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.